it's filling up.
Oh no, this feels good. No. See?
Compromise?
It's compromised. Look at that. You hear that?
Yeah, they might want to look out for that.
Look at that. Well, I wonder now if the, yeah, see, that right there will cause noise.
Boy, it's good.
Clunk, 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 and then we'll be wondering what the hell happened with this noise.
Yeah.
No, that's coming out. Pull that thing out.
That's a 14 minutes.
It's a 14, yeah. Well, you know what I've seen from accidents? The actual spindle knuckle cracks. So let's pray to God that the spindle knuckle is not cracked. 14 or 12?
14 minutes.
It's bent. This thing's supposed to be straight. It's like it's taking a U-turn over here like this. This will go back on.
See if it goes right in without WD-40.
It should go back on.
So,
There, put that 12 back in. Or 14.
yeah, 14 minutes.
And zap that puppy on. Oh yeah, feels sexy.
Right there. I put that in last, but I don't know.
Which one?
The one you just put on right now.
Why?
Well, there's two.
Which way does the bolt go? Bolt goes through the back. Through this way.
Because we knocked off.
Yeah. Boom. Look at that. Put that back on. See, with two people, changing the control arm is fast. Make sure you're not cross-threading anything. Okay. Well, I like to put everything in first, you know, and then.
And this one here, you might tell them about this. You got it. This spins on you.
Yeah, we gotta get pliers. This is not gonna work. Well, it will work. Needle. Go ahead. Hand tight that last one.
Yep.
To 17. There you go. It's not spinning.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all on.
Here, I got it.
All right. Can you get over there?
Yeah, I can get over here.
Yeah, I was gonna say I can't get over here.
And then you can hand tight.
It's spinning.
What's spinning? That's good.
Yeah.
Good.
And then
19. Zap these three guys in. Right here.
that one there. This gun turn up all the way? Yes, it is.
That one's tight. This one's tight. We never did that one. That one's tight. That one's tight. This is tight. Okay, arm is tight.
It sounds like it's weak. I ain't gonna get another turn out of that.